Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E450 4MATIC for sale. This comes in a black exterior. We also have a black interior. And today we're going to do just a quick vehicle walk-around tour, show you some of the features. And then of course, if you're interested in learning more about the vehicle, you can always set up a test drive, reach out to us on our website, or give us a call. Love to chat with you about this here. So you can see our interior now. We do have the upgraded Burmester sound system, upgraded speaker package throughout. So this really nice dark wood grain trim, accent trim you'll find throughout the vehicle. And we have a push button ignition. Do have heated seats. You can see the Burmester speakers as well as the ambient LED lighting throughout. We also have a heated steering wheel. Okay, so here we have our display currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below your display, we have our climate controls here. You also have some quick access buttons here to switch between some of the different functions. We've got our cup holders here, got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone as well as USB connection. And then we have our touchpad here for making adjustments on our display. Also have this dial here you can turn and then push down to select. Also got our dynamic select switch here, so you'll switch between different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. And also have parking cameras you can access. We've got volume controls, turning off the display. And we have our shifter. Plenty more we could show you. This is just a quick little walk around, so if you're interested in learning more, of course, just reach out to us on our website. And we do have a sunroof here, both front and rear. Take a look at our rear seats here next. And a quick peek back up front. And coming around to the back of the vehicle, we have our E450 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, and push button to close. So once again, this is the 2020 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E450 4MATIC. If you're interested in learning more, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.